Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Meitu app. You click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will search about the application of Meitu app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Meitu app. If you find updates, then you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.